Hey everybody, it's Sandra, and I'm coming to you today to answer a question that I get asked very often. Because you know that I talk about selling digital products online, I had a lot, do I need a website? What website do I need? What do I put the digital products on my website? I don't have a website. I get that quite often. How do I sell digital products? So I hope today I've got an answer that you're going to like. There are several different websites that are applications that you can work with, and you can sell your digital products on those platforms. So they're kind of like a marketplace in a way. They give you, the website landing page. They allow you to put your products on there to upload your digital products. And they have a payment shopping cart system so that once you have your payment account in another place, you can, connect it here and to these applications and sell directly on these platforms. So let me show you how this works. One of the platforms that I work with where I have products is called Gumroad. I'm going to give you a link for all of the ones. This just happens to be one example, and I have some products here to be able to show you very well. So they give you a landing page that you can list several of your products. These are a few of the ones that I carry here. I have more. And it will allow you to put the cover in. It allows you to set the price. You can click, for example, and put it into a cart. The shopping cart is all part of it, and that will purchase your item for you. We can go to the checkout, you can see on the side, and it sets up the entire payment system for you. So it is super easy. There are many different options of these kinds of applications, and you will pay. Some of them are free accounts even. So you can start this for free, load up some of the digital products that you'd like to sell, kind of market to them and see what happens. You will pay a percentage of the sale. So it's free without a monthly payment, but you will pay obviously for the use of the services as you sell items. As you sell more and more, it's going to be a better benefit for you to upgrade to one of the monthly payment subscriptions on these. But it's good to know that there are several different options that you can start for free if you're just new. So a couple of them, this is Gumroad that I'm showing you now. There's also PayHip and Simple Goods and a few other ones. So look around for the link. I'm going to post it by this video for our resources page that will have the direct links to all of these applications to give you some really good benefits. But guess what? You don't need a full website in order to start selling digital products. I mean, how fantastic is that, right? So no excuses anymore. Let's get you started, make some money, and start benefiting from the awesomeness of digital products. Thanks for coming today, and we'll see you next time, okay?